Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. So my other camera stopped working. So let's see how this one does. Quick start guide. This one does come with the Chime Pro, which is also like an extender as well. Here it is. Very cool. And then here's the actual doorbell. And then here's the actual doorbell. Very cool. And then here's all the tools and accessories that you'll need to set it up. So even if you don't want to drill into the wall or you don't have like a spot for it, it could also just work off the battery. So I thought that was cool. So if you want to hook it up directly wired, you can do that. If you want to use the battery option, that's another way. The battery does last up to 6 months, obviously depending on the activity, but it's roughly about 6 months. So I thought that was really good as well. And then it does come with a Type-C cable for it. So now that we got it all, let's go ahead and actually set it up outside and let's see how that video quality looks. All right, so let's go ahead and actually set it up. So first we're gonna go ahead and download the Wyze app. Once it's installed, go ahead and just sign up and create an account. Hit add device, select the doorbell, then follow the prompts. Just make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz, not the 5G. Then you'll just scan the QR code on the doorbell itself. It'll connect, just change the name, and then you'll be all set. So like I said earlier, there's two ways to mount it, with the adhesive or with permanent screws, which I'm doing here. Then all you have to do is just slide the doorbell onto the mount and then it's locked in. Once it's installed, you're ready to capture footage. Now let's see how it actually performs in action. All right, and this is what it looks like in the app. It does have a 140p resolution, giving a crisp, wide 150-degree view. You can see the details clearly, and there's minimal distortion. Now let's see what it looks like when I turn off the lights. The night color tech kicks in, everything is visible, so you're not just seeing dark shadows. It also does have motion and push alerts, so when someone walks up, you get an instant notification. You can also see and talk to the visitors in real time. If you want more features, you can upgrade the Cam Plus for more personal detection and 14-day cloud storage. So if you guys are looking for a new video doorbell, definitely look into this one by Wyze. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.